27 knots of wind, that's apparent, and we've been doing over 9 knots, just with half a head sail up. So I'm going to let Chris pan round now and show you what's happening.
Well, it's not far down to paradise.
The other side will be a lot calmer then.
The wind is right, you can sail away, find tranquility. Oh, the canvas can do miracles. Just you wait and see. Believe in me. Oh, it's not far to Never Never Land. Reason to pretend. And if the wind is right, you can find the joy of innocence again. Oh, the canvas can do miracles. Just you wait and see. Believe in me. Sailing takes me away to where I've always heard it could be. Just a dream and the wind to carry me. And soon I will be free. Yeah. Fantasy.
It's Wednesday, 24th of September. Jim's just gone back on the plane. We've come to right to the top of Madeira. Don't know what it's called, but it's right at the top. And it's absolutely magnificent views, which Chris is going to show you.
Don't you believe in me?
We're in Madeira, we're at the top of the mountain, and they take you down in baskets and they slide down the road. Chris is going to show you now, there's one about to go.
Oh God. Remember the bumping car?
Oh, it's not far back to sanity. At least it's not for me. And if the wind is right, you can sail away and find serenity. Oh, the canvas can do miracles. Just you wait and see. Believe in me. Sailing takes me away to where I've always heard it could be. Oh, just a dream and the wind that carried me. And soon I will be free.
Oh, that's Julie. Who's this got to be in shot?
Hello Julie!
Do I get one?
Yeah, we're just going to go behind the flag, there's a Welsh flag up, so Welsh contingent, and we're going behind the Welsh contingent. We just won the rugby! We just won the rugby! You keep your head still.
No mirror. Something for the weekend, sir.
Hello! I've just finished cutting his hair. Have a look at it.
Magnificent.
Do you remember standing on the shore? Your head in the clouds, your pockets filled with dreams. Bound for glory on the seven seas of life. But the ocean is deeper than it seems. The wind was with you when you left on the morning tide. set your sail for an island in the sun. On the horizon, dark clouds overhead, for the storm has just begun. Take me with you, take me far away, lead me to the distant shore.
It's Tuesday, 25th of November. We're on a dead run. We're wing and wing, and Galadriel is about half a mile ahead of us. We've been catching her for the last 4 or 5 hours, and we're just about to take some shots of her as we go past. These are heavenly twins, first of all. Sail everywhere. And that boat there, just in front of us, is Gladys. But she won't be in front of us much longer.
Hello, it's the 1st of December. We're nearly to our halfway mark, and we've just caught our first fish, which is a dorado, which if Chris puts the camera around, Mike has at the back of the boat. About a 15-pound dorado.
Take me far away and lead me to the distant shore. Sail your ship across the water and spread your wings across the sky. Take the time to see you're the one who holds the key. Sailing ships will pass. Sailing ships will pass you. Sailing ships will pass you by.
Hello, it's the 12th of December, and we've just come into St Lucia. Well, we've just come into St Lucia. It's just be in front of us now, so I'm just to show you.